Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can send a same-day wire from Mercury Bank, so let's get started. If you need to send money quickly for a business payment, vendor invoice, or urgent transfer, Mercury allows you to send a same-day domestic wire directly from your dashboard. The process is simple, but there are a few important steps you need to follow to make sure the wire goes out on the same day. First, sign into your Mercury account from your browser. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the Payments section and select Send Wire. Mercury gives you the option to send either a domestic wire within the United States or an international wire, but for same-day transfers, you'll usually be sending a domestic wire. Next, you'll need to add the recipient details. This includes the recipient's full name or business name, the receiving bank's name, the routing number, and the recipient's account number. Make sure all the information is accurate because wire transfers usually cannot be reversed once they are sent. After entering the recipient information, choose the account you want to send the money from. Then type the amount you want to wire and add a short note or memo if needed, for example, an invoice number or payment description. Mercury may also ask you to verify the payment with two-factor authentication to keep your account secure. Now here's the important part if you want the wire to arrive the same day. You must submit the wire before Mercury's daily wire cutoff time. If the transfer is approved before that cutoff, the payment will usually be processed and delivered to the receiving bank on the same business day. If you miss the cutoff time, the wire will normally be sent on the next business day. Finally, review all the details one more time and click Send Wire to confirm the payment. Once the wire is submitted, you can track its status directly inside your Mercury dashboard under the Payments or Activity section. That's how you can send a same-day wire from your Mercury bank account, quickly and securely. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.